So, I met Ricky when I was 12 years old in grade school. 12 years old, maybe 10, 12. Anyway, I had a classmate. I used to sleep in her house in Quezon City. In Philam, yeah. Miss Valdez would invite me and she said, I want to show you my crush. Sige nga. So, she introduced me to Ricky. I had to keep my mouth shut kasi I had a crush on him too. Yeah, because, you know, when he smiles, although he's very shy, when he smiles, you are drawn to his beautiful eyes. Big crush talaga. He was my childhood crush and, you know, I still admit it. Anyway, so moving forward, hindi na kami nagkita ulit. We met each other again. I think we were all auditioning and later on we joined the, what do you call that, the training, workshop for Batch 81. Sumali siya, but then his parents told him, you cannot join, you have to finish school first. Yeah. So, he was in our picture, pero hindi siya nakasali sa Batch 81. I've done several films with Ricky. Most, either I'm his wife or his lover. And ang pinaka-memorable sa akin yung Marikina. Kasi, we were going to have a torrid kissing scene. And I was supposed to initiate it. Eh, kulihiyala po ako. So, ang hirap-hirap sa kalooban ko na ako mag-i-initiate. But anyway, I had to do it because I was the flirt in the movie, right? So, just before the scene, sabi ko, oh, this is what we're going to do, ha? I will kiss you, and then you will not react. Kasi ano ka, conservative. Because he's supposed to be married, okay? And then I actually teased him, yes. Okay. So anyway, conservative siya dun sa ano sa role. So when I kissed him, sabi ko, huwag ka mag-react. And then that's when we have our kissing, our torrid kissing. And then he said, okay, pero wag mong babasain ang face ko, ha? Wag mong didilaan ang mukha ko, ha? Sabi ko, ha? Why would I do that? Wala, na-trauma lang ako. There was one actress kasi that did that to me, kissed me and my whole face. Okay, hindi ako ganun. Diba? Funny siya. So, anyway, fast forward. Last year, I think it was August or March, we signed a contract for Bypass. And again, we were supposed to have a scene together. Love scene na naman. Sabi ko, you know, sa lahat ng mga eksena, siya lang talaga na papayag ako na may love scene. So I was really ready now. We met and he was already sick and he admitted to me, I'm sick, but you know, I'm doing therapy and all that, so I think I can do it. So in December, I was so heartbroken because it wasn't Ricky who did the scenes with me, and I was really looking forward to it. So there, I'm so heartbroken. I love you.
My crush.
Thank you.